Welcome to Legendary Lives. Today, we will learn about a man who changed the world. He is Henry Ford, an automotive pioneer. Let's begin. Henry Ford was born on July 30, 1863, in Michigan, USA. He was born to a farmer's family and spent his early life around farms and machinery. His mechanical skills were evident when, at just 15 years old, he built his first engine. To follow his passion, Henry Ford joined the Edison Illuminating Company in Detroit. Here, his skills further developed, and in 1896, he built his first self-propelled vehicle, the quadricycle. In 1903, Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company. He developed new methods of mass production and, in 1908, launched the Model T, which revolutionized the automotive industry. This car was affordable and accessible to the common people. Ford introduced assembly line production, which dramatically reduced the cost and time of car manufacturing. By 1913, the process of making a car in his factory took only 93 minutes. He also paid his workers $5 per day, which was a significant amount at that time. Henry Ford's innovations weren't limited to cars. He contributed to the aviation and tractor industry as well. Through the Ford Foundation, he also invested in education and research. Henry Ford's journey is an inspiring tale that shows how one man's passion and vision can change the world. He left a legacy that can still be felt in the automotive industry today. So friends, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video with another legendary life. Thank you.